Hi guys, and welcome to my October bullet journal setup. This month I decided to fill it with black, gold and orange colors. It turned out very atmospheric and truly autumnal, although honestly not as bright as September was. After the busy September setup, I wanted to take a little break, but the standard Halloween theme just didn't inspire me. Everything changed when I stumbled upon a stunning fox in a coloring book. It inspired me so much that I decided to create a dark autumnal design for the month. The fox, adorned with a crown of blackberries, looks absolutely magnificent, and black background paired with gold letters gives it incredible effect. These adult coloring books are truly a form of art. I fell in love with this fox at first sight and, of course, decided to make her the central element of my design. Cutting out letters from thin tissue paper proved to be quite a challenge. It's not ideal for small details, but it works well for large elements. On the next page I plan to create an autumn collage in the same colors. The main element will be a red autumn tree on a black background. I would add golden accents, a few mini photos that capture the spirit of autumn, and some black rectangulars. Two blocks on this page will be part of the collage, and symmetrically placed rectangles made of craft paper will serve as space for a calendar and a list of things I want to read and watch this month. Next, I'll work on the spread with 2 lines per day and a gratitude journal. I always design these paired spreads in the same style. The first will feature a header from an art exhibition booklet. It fits perfectly, I think. To add a touch of golden, I will use golden decorative tape. On the next page, a decorative napkin with autumn flowers will serve as the header, but it needs some black accents, so I will use black tape. Now little magic and spreads are ready. All this left is to add titles on black paper. The next spread will be a sleep tracker, which I will design on black paper. This takes a bit more time since I need to create a white grid for the numbers and times, but I'm confident that the black spread will look very stylish. I will add a golden inscription and some black and gold tape, and it will be ready. On the following page, I'll create a list of plants. I'll frame it in the same golden border, covering the page with tissue paper, and I'll make the inner frame from thin black tape. To add a bit of autumn charm, I'll decorate the spread with autumn sticker and include my list. The next spread is for planning my social media. I will create a regular calendar for writing down monthly plans using golden decorative tape as backdrop. At the bottom, I have already set up mini trackers for my other social networks, where I mark when I have posted new content. On the right side, I will have a list of video ideas and statistics for my social media. I will add stickers and the title names of my 2 YouTube channels to keep everything looking nice and organized. And the last 2 spreads will be a running to-do list for the week. I chose a simple design in black and golden tones, since I don't have too many tasks right now and they aren't tied to specific dates. This setup works perfectly for me. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the setup and that some ideas inspired you. Don't forget to share your creations. Thank you all and goodbye.